My name is Adam and welcome back to Broke Man Finance, a channel where we try to keep you up to date as possible with what's going on in the world of money so that way you can make the best decision possible with that money. Today we are talking about XRP and why they are leading the gains in this run back up. And if you would like to contribute to that XRP cause, well, you can do that by helping spread the good news I'm about to tell you by liking and sharing this video, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already so you can come back for more updates. Right now, that XRP price is up nearly 18% on the day and over 31% on the week, which puts them at around 78 cents at the time of this filming. And of course, with volatility in the crypto world, that price is sure to change probably by the time you watch this. Now, the crypto market is not out of the woods yet, but it appears we are coming back strong. And to be honest, I don't think the bull run ever left. I think we just had a slight correction. I don't think we ever really got into a bear market. These are the days that you do not want to miss if you're an XRP holder. Now, granted, we're still down big from our all-time highs, which I think we're down around 80% at this point from this price. But this price will explode if they win that lawsuit, which I think should kind of go without saying, because it's moving up pretty substantially just on a little bit of optimism. But why do I mention that? Well, if you missed one of my last videos, which I'm sure you did because, well, I think everybody did because no one watched it. But one of the things I talk about is how missing just a few big days in the market will decimate your portfolio and why hodling in times of chaos, such as lawsuits, can be the best strategy. From 1999 to 2018, if you had invested $10,000 into the stock market, more specifically the S&P 500, and you missed the best 20 days over that 20-year span, literally one day a year, you were actually down $700 over those 20 years. Feel free to go check out that video, and I think you'll find some of the other numbers I talk about in it kind of interesting, especially if you like to nerd out on stuff like this like I do. Plus, it may just make you want to hodl a little bit longer and make you feel a little bit better about it. But why is XRP leading this charge? Well, obviously, when Bitcoin starts catching some momentum and buyers start jumping back into the mix, a little FOMO for some folks, you know who you are, I'm one of them, it raises up everyone else. But XRP also had some good news come out regarding the lawsuit that got investors excited. Judge Annalisa Torres has refused to seal evidence against Ripple in a move that reiterates the public interest of the case. That's a good sign. XRP is jumping higher on reports that the documents the SEC has been reviewing as part of its lawsuit against Ripple doesn't reveal anything really all that negative and may not be that relevant to the case. According to reports, prominent attorney Jeremy Hogan analyzed two exhibits related to the Ripple lawsuit. He said he considers them weak evidence, not sure why I did that, to support the SEC's claim that Ripple illegally sold and marketed XRP as a security. From my lower IQ understanding, here's what the SEC is trying to argue. Exhibit 179-4 shows Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse telling employees about XRP holders' expectations toward the price of the digital asset and Ripple's decision to lock up 55 billion XRP in escrow to address skepticism. Ripple's argument back is that they were just talking to employees in an in-house kind of meeting, in an in-house setting, and they weren't even talking to XRP holders. So was there really a violation if it's within the company? Exhibit 179-5 shows former Ripple co-founder Chris Larson exchanging emails with an XRP holder about XRP's price dynamics. Now, the weak point to this one is, from my understanding, the email was directed to a gentleman by the name of Carlos who resides in Portugal. Portugal, as we all know, is a tax haven for crypto enthusiasts and a common destination for those that want to retire early. However, sales of XRP to foreign nationals outside of the United States are not within the scope of the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, as it doesn't apply to the Securities Act of 1933. And if you're an attorney watching this right now, and I certainly am not, I would love to hear about your opinions on this, how you interpret and perceive it, by leaving me a comment in the comment section below. But this is what the attorney, Mr. Hogan, had to say. These will be the SEC's evidence that XRP purchasers were relying on Ripple to increase XRP's price. I just hope for the SEC that they have more and better evidence than these two documents. So with that news and the fact that Judge Torres didn't seal anything, a lot of people expect the decision on this lawsuit to be made very, very soon, hopefully in the next couple months, and that it could be in XRP's favor, which would be a huge victory for the crypto community and a huge blow against SEC, because right now the SEC has they got a pretty good record against crypto. But this is why people are scooping up some XRP right now and pushing that price up. And as we get more good news, I will continue to bring you updates. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notifications. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. As always, stay safe, get rich, and we will see you soon.